hard. Yeah, like I know Echo goes out, but yeah, I gotta watch that how it happens. I know he falls or something, but you know, people have fallen down things before in Star Wars, and they were still alive. But those were mostly Jedi or Sith. But uh, uh, yeah, the Empire was Tales of the Empire pissed me off because I was like, "Oh, nice, Tales of the Empire," and there was one cool scene in there. Fucking Barris, whatever, saying like, "Oh, here's your new boss," and then Vader walks out. I was like, "All right," and then all of a sudden she goes back to being good, and I'm like, "What the? This is Tales of the Empire. Why am I watching this fucking Jedi?" But you know, some fucking blue-haired liberal bitch probably destroyed that shit. But we fucking destroyed the Empire of Disney. We won.